Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use fast noise in DaVinci Resolve. First, open a Fusion composition and add a fast noise node from the generator's menu. Connect its output to a media out node to see the effect. Adjust the scale parameter to control the size of the noise patterns. Increase the detail to add more intricate textures. This powerful tool is perfect for creating dynamic backgrounds and organic effects. Let's dive deeper into customizing your noise. You can easily modify the brightness and contrast to make the noise more subtle or pronounced. Experiment with the seed value to generate entirely new and unique noise patterns. For dynamic effects, animate the offset parameter over time. This creates a flowing, evolving texture, perfect for energy fields or abstract backgrounds in your projects. Now, let's explore some advanced techniques. You can introduce color to your noise by adjusting the color controls, creating vibrant and expressive patterns. For even greater complexity, combine 2 or 3 fast noise nodes, each with different settings. Use blend modes like overlay or screen to seamlessly integrate your noise with other layers, adding depth and texture to your visuals. Fast noise has many practical applications. It's excellent for generating realistic atmospheric effects like fog or smoke, adding depth to your scenes. You can also create captivating abstract backgrounds for titles or lower thirds. A powerful tip is to use fast noise as a displacement map, distorting other elements for unique visual styles. Experiment and unleash your creativity with this versatile tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.